If you're the kind of person who wants your life to be yours, not dictated by someone else's schedule or expectations, if you believe fun should feel real, not just scheduled, and if you've ever wished the world would just slow down enough for you to enjoy it, then you're going to love what comes next. Some may say that to find something good, to eat, to do, to feel alive, you have to head to the big city, the place with all the hype, the noise, the never-ending hustle, where everybody else goes. The illusion that more is always better. But what if we told you the best part of life might already be right here? You want good food? It's not 30 miles away. It's just down the road. Grab lunch at the Post, where half the staff wears WBU gear and the other half knows your name. Need comfort food? China Express has you covered. And they'll throw in a free drink when you show your student ID. Or try the Taro Hibachi food truck, another WBU favorite. Craving Tex-Mex? There's La Casita Grill. Or give Lalo's food truck a try. Legendary Burgers, Herd's Market. Craving pizza? Got you covered. There's Pizza Den and Main Street Pizza. Homestyle cooking? Head to Don's Steakhouse, or Christie's Kitchen, or Dairy King. Big breakfast? You need the Waffle and Pancake House. There's Real Deal Barbecue at Cross Ties, and Old Hickory, and the Ronnieville Smokers Truck. Oh, and you can get your coffee fix at Snowbrew, or Busy Bean. Fact is, small town doesn't mean small flavor, and many of them offer a Williams Blue discount for WBU students. This town once hosted the Beatles. That's not just a fun fact. In Walnut Ridge, it's a sculpture. Big moments can happen in small places. Want something active? Stewart Park has a peaceful pond, a mountain bike obstacle course, brand new pickleball courts, and a mile-long walking trail. Our own Lawrence County Rail Trail starts right here on Williams campus. 7 miles through Walnut Ridge and Hoxie, 14 miles round trip. Run, ride, walk, breathe. If you like to ride bicycles, there are 1,200 miles of gravel roads in Lawrence County. We've got free bikes on campus. No excuses, just open roads. And if you need to stretch out even further, there are 5 Arkansas state parks within 30 minutes of campus. Hiking, swimming, fishing, kayaking, hammocking, real peace, real creation, just around the corner. See, it's not about where you go, it's about how you live. You don't have to leave town to find joy. You don't have to spend money to make memories. You don't need a map to find what matters. You don't have to leave to live. Welcome to Walnut Ridge. Welcome to Williams Baptist University.